Today we'll try to understand more about the compute, how we can use this machine for our troubleshooting. So let's say this is my machine, right? And this is the one of the code we are writing here. So let's say for example, we want to create a table employee. We have two field, ID which is integer type and name which is string type. So run this command. Let's this is just a sample demo, so that will help us to in future troubleshooting. So we'll do very simple programming. So here insert into value, we insert some values into this demo table. Yeah, so go to the compute section. This is my test machine. So if you see this test machine, how many notebooks are assigned, you will see these are the notebooks were run in this machine. If you want to install any library, let's say you want to connect with some maybe Mongo somewhere, you want to install those library, you can install here. These are your event log, so you can filter the event from here also. So it will give you driver health, running status, cluster is running, and when it got created, who has created this one. Spark UI. So Spark UI, you can see like how this job runs, right? What are the stages it is running. So all these things you can see stages, and you can see storage, how it is going to use the storage, how the RDD got created. So all these detail you can find here from the environment variables, right? What are the environment variable we are going to use, executors. So this helps actually to understand the how the machine is behaving, and it will help you in troubleshootings. SQL and data frames. These are the command we have run, insert commands we have run. If you want to see the detail, you can see about these details. These are the insert command we are going to run. All these are basically helping us to troubleshoot the query. So one of the important thing what we have to focus, here you can see driver logs. All the driver logs are there. Log4j they generally use standard out. You want to find out some error, you can troubleshoot in error here. You can find out the errors, and you can see log4j output also. So these logs are very helpful once you do troubleshooting. And metrics, once you test your code in your maybe production, you want to see one after load testing how good this machine is for the production. Shall we have to increase the driver node count, or shall we increase the worker node count? So these kind of statics you can see from the Ganglia UI. You can go in that Ganglia UI, right? And you can see metrics, hourly to last 2 hour, 4 hour and day, how this machine got used, right? And what was the complete utilization, how many CPUs are there, right? Current load average. So all these, because these study are very important. If you are a admin, you have to understand these statics, share this with the development team. Even in the development team, they can look these statics. Based on that, they can come up with the right cluster size machine for the production. So last 1 hour, how it got used, right? What was the load? So different metrics you can load from here. You can utilize your CPU utilization, memory utilization, everything can you read through this dashboard. You can search, you can see the live dashboard, you can see views, right? Aggregate graphics, you want to say aggregate graphic from here. You want to compare host, you want to see the host between host comparison, event log. Once you run a live code, you will see more statics here, and these are going to help. This GangliaUI is going to help you troubleshoot your machine and see what is the optimized machine configuration for your work. So that's where GangliaUI is the best. So this is your master. So let's say for example, this is the cluster master, how it is working, right? You can see all these details here. Open new tab. You have to study all these statics. These are very helpful in the troubleshooting. especially if you are working on the production kind of job where you want to utilize your machine optimized way. So this is the way you have to look all these details and troubleshoot your code and find out troubleshooting a code log you can look, and machine configuration you can look these metrics. Ganglia view UI is very important for machine utilization. I hope this will help you a little bit how you can look the machine configuration and which can translate and help you in your optimizing and also in the troubleshooting your code. Thank you for watching.